you want me to? Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna wipe your eye. Wipe your eye. We'll dry it off a little bit. Yeah. We're gonna get more wet. For some reason, you can't wipe it with the same spot. Why, I don't know.
So you want to put the same gunk back in his eyes.
Okay. Okay. Yes, they're fun. A little wiggle worm. A little wiggle worm. There we go. Oh, see, now we're happy. I'm going to wipe your face off a little bit. I should cut the tags off before.
Here, come cut them.
No, we'll get them. We're going to wash your hair last, but let's wipe behind your ears.
Gotta get all the little creases. Babies have lots of little creases. Okay, we'll be back.